Today we're making Girl Robyn's world famous wings.
Not today, Captain Ron. Ron is a little tied up right now, so I'm going to take over the FOGO YouTube channel and show you how to make my Florida orange chicken wings. Okay, so Florida orange wings are like a traditional buffalo sauce with a Floribbean spin. And it's my Sunshine State of Mind rub that really adds that Floribbean taste because the rub has kaffir lime, orange peel zest, lime powder, Himalayan salt, and granulated honey. So it really takes the sauce to the next level by making it a little sweeter and also cutting some of the heat. And the ingredients are duck fat spray, baking powder, a stick of butter, Frank's Red Hot, Sunshine State of Mind Craft Barbecue Rub, and Jacobsen's Hot Honey. And of course we need our chicken wings. Now, Ron bought the whole chicken wing. I like to buy the drumettes, or I like to have the butcher cut them for me because I like to outsource that kind of stuff. But today we're gonna do it real quick. So it really just depends on what you like. Some people are flats, some people are drumettes. I'm a drumette girl.
Flats roll.
Peanut gallery over there.
Love those drums.
But you can see we have the whole wing. So I'm gonna cut the tips off and then section them into a flat and a drumette. I'm really loving this pan, Ron. It's like a tub and a cutting board all in one.
It's really cool. The sides, sorry.
Okay, so we got our chicken wings. I prepped them on this cool cutting board / tub, and now we're gonna get to business. First, we're gonna start with our duck fat spray. Spray a nice amount on. This is going to help crisp up our wings while also working as a binder. Next, we're going to add our baking powder. This also helps our wings to be crispy. And last but not least, Sunshine State of Mind Craft Barbecue Rub. Time to light up our grill. Okay guys, we have our egg up at 375. We've got the convector in, so we're technically cooking on indirect. And now it's time to put our wings on the grill. I'm gonna put them on the outside and leave room on the inside for our sauce. Wings are on, they're gonna take about an hour. So what should we do next?
What time is it?
We're gonna make a Paloma, which is kind of like a margarita, but instead of lime juice, we use grapefruit.
Cocktails! You say cocktails? I'm in.
And we're grilling the grapefruit. And by grilling grapefruit, you actually just accentuate the flavor and it gets nice and smoky. And before we throw this on the grill, we're going to dip it in my Sunshine State of Mind because it has granulated honey in it. So in place of sugar, we're using the rub because it's gonna help with that caramelization on the grill.
Now that is pretty awesome. So I know that by like charring it like that, it's really caramelizing the sugars in the grapefruit then, right? It's bringing out all the flavors, it's gonna make that actually even stronger flavor, right? Sweeter?
Absolutely. It just accentuates everything and it also adds a nice smokiness. So when we juice this baby, you're gonna actually be able to taste some of that smokiness.
Nice. I love juiciness and smokiness. So this is quite the contraption you brought here. Tell us about this thing. This is cool.
So I love citrus so much, I broke down and bought one of those citrus juicers that you might see at like a craft cocktail bar. Because let's just face it, it looks cool when you use it. And if you squeeze a lot of citrus like I do, it actually is more like, it makes sense to have one.
So I do have a question. Is the crapola amount, is that an actual measurement in a recipe book? Or?
It's kind of like a shipload.
A shipload, I got you.
So first we're gonna add our tequila, which is as much or as little as you want. This also works well with mezcal. And then we add our juice. And if you want to add a little extra sweetener, you can, but you don't have to. That's really up to you.
Now, Robyn, I read the recipe, and I know you forgot about one thing.
Yes.
the rosemary stir.
Yes.
Gotta have that.
Believe it or not, the rosemary and the grapefruit go really well together.
I can definitely believe it. I can see that absolutely, like the yin and yang of the flavors together, right?
Totally. And, you know, another thing you can do to really amp up the flavor and just kind of make the presentation really pop is freeze the rosemary sprigs into the big ice cube blocks and then put that into the drink and it sticks out and it's really cool.
So you can even freeze it like with this sticking out of the ice cube, right?
Yes.
You just stick the whole ice cube down in.
Absolutely.
Oh, I love it.
It all comes together so nicely. You get the smokiness from the grapefruit. You got a little hint of that granulated honey in the rub. You've got the aromatics of the rosemary. This is like a craft cocktail you can make at home.
I love how like the lime seltzer along with the grapefruit, it all mixes together. That's got to be just a dynamite cocktail.
It's very Florida. What can I say?
Very Florida.
It's very refreshing wherever you live.
All right, Robyn, what do you think? Should we get sauced?
Let's. Yes, we should.
All right, we're going to make Robyn's Florida orange wing sauce here. So what do we got here?
It's about a stick of butter.
Okay.
Here we go.
Then this is 5 tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot. Not Frank's Wid sauce, but Frank's Red Hot.
Red Hot. The actual hot sauce.
Okay.
And 4 tablespoons of my rub.
This isn't in your normal recipe, but I want to add some of this hot honey in here, okay? So I'm
a fan.
You're a fan? All right, good. So we're going to squeeze some hot honey.
Yes.
Just a squeeze in there. Now, obviously, our sauce is not ready to go. The butter's not melting like that. So, oh, look at those wings.
Those look gorgeous.
There's a reason that we left it undone like this. So, all right, Robyn, I think our Florida orange wing sauce is ready. Oh, the wings are done. Look at the gorgeous color. Look at that. That stuff melted down beautifully. Holy smokes. This is a great plan, huh?
It's a beautiful recipe because it's like buffalo sauce with a sweet hint that really cuts the heat.
All right, now take our sauce off and we're just gonna pour all of it right over. Okay?
Chicken wing food porn moment. Woo! Oh my goodness.
Oh, I lost one. Don't tell anybody. All right, that was one heck of a day. Well, I'm glad I finally broke free of my chains. You know, I've never just fallen asleep like that before. That was so weird. And how did I get tied up in that chair?
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, you have nothing to do with it. Sweet little innocent girl Robyn. Mm-hmm. Okay.
I don't know. What was it? Maybe it was something in the sauce? I don't know.
Yeah, that's probably what it was. Yeah, something in the sauce, all right. Hey, so anyway, whatever it was, I'm glad it all went down the way because these are fantastic. I got news for you. Robyn, these wings, your recipe is phenomenal. And I think they're $3.75. We did great cooking them right at an hour, and they look and smell beautiful. I won't lie, I've tasted them. They taste beautiful too. But I think we should taste one. This way the folks out there can benefit from our enjoying them.
I will say, I think they're a game changer.
They are. So I'm a flats. You're a drums person?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, oh boy.
I like a meaty wing, what can I say?
Hey, how you doing? Wow. The rub in there gives it that nice little, this little citrusy, it's not a jump in your face citrus, but it's there. It's just, you get a note of it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sophisticated. You got a note of citrus in there.
It's like we're wine tasting, but we're wing tasting.
That is so good. And we decided to wing it for the whole thing. So anyway, Robyn's Florida Orange Wings. You can find it on her blog. There is a link down below to her blog. All right, go check it out. You're not going to want to miss it out. I'm actually a contributing writer to there, so I write some articles and recipes for there.
You're my expert.
I'm an expert, so. But these are phenomenal. The rest of the recipes on there are really great. I can't thank you enough for coming out and being with us and filming us today. We did have a good time. And it just caps it all up when the food is so great. So make these. You will not be sorry. Remember, I want you to get out and grill, all right? And I'll see you the next time on the FOGO Life.